Hey, how you doing, boys and gals? This is Chris O'Gene reporting from Fitzgerald Toyota in Gaithersburg, Maryland, exclusively for the Chris Sells Cars YouTube channel. I'd like to thank all of you for your subscriptions, the likes, the shares, the suggestions, and everything. And as I promised you, I always bring you some really nice delights. And this one just came off the truck last night. I was trying to get it last night, but it was storming like crazy. So without any further ado, this is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter I-Force Max Hybrid 4Runner. This is the redesigned 4Runner in all of its beauty. And this one is in the underground color. It has the I-Force Max badging right there. That lets you know it's a hybrid. It also has the Rigid Industries Trailhunter badging on the LED projector beam headlights. Rigid Industries icicle style fog lights on the front there. You can also see the front parking sensors on the vehicle. This vehicle also has the steel skid plate. You can see it right there. That's your steel skid plate. It has the front parking sensors on there. It also has a radar right behind this flat panel that works with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing and lane departure alert functions. It has the 360 bird's eye view camera. And then it also has the Toyota Heritage front grille. That's called the Heritage front grille on there. Come over here, it has the beefy black fender flares. It has your bronze alloy wheels right there. And then it has the signature mud flap, the Trailhunter mud flap. There goes the Trailhunter badging right there. And then it has the rock rails right there to aid in getting in and out of the vehicle, as well as protecting the sides of the vehicle when you are overlanding or going off-road. 360 bird's eye view on the sides of the heated mirrors, blinking lane change indicators, rain sensing wipers. You have your remote access function right there for your keyless remote entry. You have the blind spot monitor on both of the heated side mirrors right there. Come over here on the inside, you can see beautiful gray stitched Softex, as well as the Trailhunter logo. There's a memory setting for up to 2 drivers in there. You have all of your different auxiliary functions. You have the automatic hitch opener, the AC outlet. This is a truly loaded vehicle. Light bar. It has a front light bar and the fog lights. It has the Trailhunter signature all-weather mats throughout the vehicle. Beautiful Softex leather in gray perforated with the pinstripe, the little accents in orange on the vehicle. Power chair with lumbar support on here. This vehicle can remote start, and it also has the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. It has JBL sound system throughout the vehicle. 14-inch touchscreen right there with your backup camera, bird's eye view, projected path, all in one beautiful, beautiful package. It has the digital rear view mirror. So you can see it has the digital panoramic rear view mirror, and it can go in analog function. So you can see my hand there. When I put it in digital, it uses an external camera. It does have the pre-installed dash cam straight from the factory. It also has your SOS button right there for your emergency services, connected services, remote access to the vehicle. It has your wireless Qi charger right here, heated and ventilated seats throughout the vehicle. Look at the Toyota Heritage symbol, Trailhunter signature. Look at these beautiful, beautiful bucket seats. And then up to 3 adults in the back there, right there. You have your 360 bird's eye view. Check it out. Once this pans around the vehicle, it'll give you an aerial view of the vehicle. While it's doing that, I'll show you your four-wheel drive settings, as well as your off-road settings, your multi-terrain system, your locking differential, and other settings for the vehicle. For towing, your tow controller. There's the aerial shot of the vehicle as well, and you can change the view. So this is a truly, truly loaded vehicle. The visors there have the visor extension so that you can block out the sun if it's, following you around. I really, really like it. I like what they've done. It's an Overlander's dream. All right, I'm going to come over to the back so you can see it. Well, first of all, I'm going to step up here so that I can show you the roof rack with the front fairing. That's an air deflector fairing right there to make it a little more aerodynamic. But then you have the roof rack right there with the crossbars. All right, this is very, very important because when you're overlanding, you want to have as low drag as possible. Again, the JBL sound system throughout the vehicle, all weather mats throughout the vehicle. Look at this beautiful, beautiful Softex gray leather in the back here. You have the cup holder in the integrated cup holder in the armrest. You have the vents. You have magazine pockets in the back. And then you have a grounded outlet, 3-prong outlet for your power devices, as well as 2 USB-C chargers right there. Again, look at how beautiful the bronze wheels are. Look at the beefy suspension right there. You can take this thing anywhere you want to go. And then you have the Trailhunter 4Runner mud flaps in the back there. There goes the Trailhunter Medallion there. And one thing I like about the Medallion, it looks like a compass. All right, just to show you that whatever direction you want to go, you can take it. You can see the rear parking sensors in the back there. iForce Max to show you this is a hybrid vehicle. You have the integrated hitch and harness, and then you can see the beefy downturn spout right there, as well as your spare tire. And there goes the harness, the wiring harness in the back. This is truly a capable vehicle in every way. Look at the digital backup, the lights in the back. You have your external cameras. That's your backup camera. And that is your external camera for your 360 bird's eye view. One touch opening in the back there. And then look in the back here. You can see lots of space in the back there. And then you have your power controls right there. You also have a grounded outlet right there. The JBL sound system. Look at your compressor. Air compressor, integrated air compressor. You have your first aid kit. And then you have your compressor kit right here in the back. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an awesome vehicle for anybody who wants a capable off-road vehicle. I'm going to come over here so that you can see the low-profile air intake. This is the air intake, high-mounted air intake. It's also called a snorkel. For people who go off-road, they call this a snorkel. Sometimes it points out a little bit, but Toyota has made this a low-profile high-mounted air intake so that if you're going through water or going through some other areas where the vehicle is partly submerged, you won't have an issue. All right. Again, if you'd like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris O'Gene as soon as possible for the 2025 completely redesigned 4Runner Trailhunter iForce Max Hybrid Overlander SUV. Chris O'Gene, 202-607-9517. Thank you and have a fantastic day.